Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and fundamental analysis of StormX token, and definitely I am going to tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next long duration targets, and my next medium duration target for this token right now. So that please thumbs up the like button right now and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is CoinGecko page of StormX and currently it is trading at $0.065 and price decreases 13.5% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 116 and market cap of this token is 554 million. 24 hour trading volume of this token is 892 million and total circulating supply of this token is 8.3 million. And let me please tell you some price and market stats of this token. This token gives 5,254% to its holders and it gives very good profit to its holders. Return on investment is 560%, very good profit this token give to its holders. Market cap dominance is 0.03%. All-time high price of this token was on January 5, 2018 and price was $0.16. You can say 16 cents. And all-time low price of this token was on March 13, 2020 and the price was 0.000576665. And this token is available on these exchanges: Upbit, Binance, BCC exchange and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It takes only 30 seconds of your life. And if you want to get some low cap altcoins, then you have to register your account on Hotbit, and this is the link of Hotbit exchange. And if you want to open a leverage trade account, then you have to click on this link and this is the link of Bybit exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you some other information. This is the website. Once you click on this tab, it will lead you to the website of this token. This token has very bright future because this token has fundamental events, fundamental news and some major events in this year. And I think definitely this token will give you profit. But if you want to buy this token and if you want to invest in this token, please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. This is the website. Storm, the easiest way to earn crypto. No complicated crypto jargon, just sign up, shop and start your crypto cashback journey. Who said crypto had to be hard? This is the app of this token and these are some partners and this is the website. Please visit this website and do your own research before investing in this token. Over 750 stores globally and our partners. These are the partners. You can Trust Wallet, Blockfolio, Coinstamp, many Kyber network, and please do your own research. Let's dive into the chart of this token. Let's dive into the fundamental analysis. These are the events that are coming in this year. On 31 March or before 31 March, Chrome button referrals. This is first event. Second event is StormX debit card is launching before 30 June or on 30 June. This is the project that is completing in Q2 and this is completing in this Q1 in this month of March. And this is the third event, leaderboard redesign for mobile and Chrome button during Q1. This event is also in this month of March and this is the final event. before 30 June or on 30 June, add browser compatibility. We already have the Chrome button, but now we will add support for shopping from any desktop browser during Q2 2021. They will add their button on Chrome, and definitely this will help this token to grow. These are events, these are fundamental uses of this token. And let's dive into the chart of this token, and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the STMX chart of 4-hour Binance chart. All-time high on this chart is $0.08 and all-time low on this chart is 0.00113704. These 4 lines are the support level for this token, and this red line is horizontal resistance for this token. This token is currently trading at $0.063. STOMAX is currently trading at $0.063 and price is continuously dropping. And now what is my next target? Let me please show you. My first target will be this zone. This is first target and this is 0.0840. This is our first target for this token right now. And let me please tell you my next target. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then definitely it should have to hit this target. It is $0.11. It is our second target. This is our first target. This is our second target. These two targets are immediate short-term targets. And let me please tell you my my next target, third target. These 3 targets this token can achieve within days, maybe within 1 week, or maybe within 10 days, or maybe within 2 weeks. These 3 targets are immediate short-term targets. These are 3 targets: $0.08, $0.11, $0.13. These are 3 targets. And let me please tell you my long duration target, medium and long duration, both targets. So please thumbs up the like button right now for this content. I will definitely bring exclusive content like this for you. According to the Fib retracement, it is currently in between 0.78 to 1 level. And let me please show you my first target. Please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. Let me please tell you my target of maybe 3 months to 6 months. Let me please tell you. Let me please show you. This is the target. $0.35 is my target. I think within 6 months this token have to hit this target and will give you 455% profit according to this Fib retracement tool, and according to the my technical analysis. This is my target. These are 3 targets: $0.08, $0.11, $0.13 and $0.35. These are the targets this token can achieve within 6 months. These are targets. These 3 targets are immediate short-term targets, and this is the medium duration target. And let me please tell you my last target. I think within 2021 it should have to hit this zone. $0.50, you can say $0.50 is my target. This token have to hit this, I think. So this is very realistic target because of these events, because of technical analysis. Both I think both things are supporting this token, and I think definitely this token should have to hit these targets within 1 year. These all targets are of 1 year target. 0.08, $0.11, $0.13, $0.35, and $0.50. $0.35 medium duration target, $0.50 long duration target, 0.13, 0.11, and 0.083. These three targets are immediate short-term targets according to the technical analysis right now. Please friends, thumbs up the like button right now and please keep supporting me. Please join my Telegram channel because I regularly update on my Telegram channel, and I post regular charts and regular updates on my Telegram channel. And if you are a new user and if you are watching my video first time, then please subscribe this channel because I will upload more informative content and very useful information regarding to these altcoins and cryptocurrency market. So please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. Thanks for the watching friends. Take care.